What's up everyone? So I finally took this stabilizer out and used it. I've got it folded back up right now. I had my GoPro on it and I just took it out and walked the dog. So in this video we're just going to look at the footage and see how it did. So let's go ahead and open it up. Get it onto my desktop here. Alright, so that just finished. Now we're going to look at it. I did some walking, I did a little bit of running, so we'll look at both. Alright, so here we are. Turn the volume down. It's looking pretty good. I kind of like feel like I can see some bouncing a little bit, but I think for the most part it's not like bouncing all over the place. So I had it in the upright position, which is like this. I had it like that with the GoPro on there, and I was holding it walking around like this. I could definitely tell it was bouncing throughout, but this looks pretty good. Let's see if I can speed it up some. 2 times 5. But yeah, just looking at walking, you can see in the lens flare that it's kind of bouncing a little bit. But it really looks pretty smooth. I don't know. I'm pretty impressed. Is it worth the $75 I paid? Meh, maybe not. I'm curious how running with this would be, but yeah, just kind of like walking with it kind of mindlessly, not putting too much thought into setting it up. It's still looking like I'm walking, like it's bouncing up and down. I think it does dampen it a little bit, like it's less walking up and down than it would be without having this thing. It's less bobbling up and down, but here's where I started to run. It was right when this turns into like the straightaway, right here. So I'm going to start running any minute here, and let's see how that looks. So this is my running. Yeah, it's not running very fast, but I actually think it's working really well for the running. Yeah, when I'm running, it really seems to be holding it super stable. And then I start walking again here. It's kind of like the old glide cams that you like need to practice with it and get good with it, and you can't just like throw it, like you can't just grab it and go and just like get amazing footage. You need to like know how to use it, and this is my first time using it, so I'm just learning, but I was very impressed with that. So let's watch that running part again. Maybe watch it in 2 times speed here. So now I started running. And I wonder, this running footage mixed with, I could get an ND filter to get some motion blur and then mix that with software stabilization. I think you could get a really good running video effect. So I'm very impressed with that. The walking, as you can see, it's like a little stuttery, a little bit bouncy, a little like kind of jarring, but I think it does do a good job. So yeah, not extremely wowed like this is the most amazing thing ever, because it's gonna take a learning curve. What's good about it is that it has no battery. That is awesome. So you can just go as long as you want, as long as the GoPro battery will last. But yeah, overall, pretty impressed. Looking forward to doing more. Like, if you look at the sides, it kind of looks like it's moving like forward and back, and kind of like a pulsing, like a different kind of pulsing movement, where it's not up and down, but it's forward and back. And that, like, if you look at how the trees move back here on this left side of the frame, it's not like a super smooth movement. I guess on the z-axis, like going front to back, it's kind of because of the bounce, the way that it works. It's sort of moving backwards. All that to say, though, it's one of a kind device. It's trying to battle a problem that there's no other solution to, and it does an okay job with it. So that's all for this video. That's the review. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a good one.